Good morning students. In previous lecture we have discussed about India's location and size. Today we are going to discuss about the India and the world. What is the situation or location of our country India in the world? As you know, India is a part of Asia. It is the southern part of the Asia and it is peninsula. It is surrounded by water from the three sides. In west, Arabian Sea is there, and in east, Bay of Bengal, and in south, Indian Ocean is there. It is in the center of the Asia, and the sea route is there by which it is connected with the western countries of the Europe, Africa, and also in east many countries are connected with India. That is why it have more importance, because it lies beside the three water bodies, and it is very helpful in the trade with other countries. Now we can reach in 15 days to the countries of Europe. Before the Suez Canal, it took too much time to reach in European country, about 6 months. But after the opening of Suez Canal, about 7,000 kilometer distance is reduced, and that is why the time which were taken by the sailor in ancient, at the time of coming of Britishers, that was 6 months. Now we can reach in European country within 15 days by using Suez Canal. In this way, our country's location is very important. We are utilizing sea routes for doing our trade, and we are doing import and export work by ship, by different ports of our country. From the ancient time, the people from the different part of the world, they are coming to India, and they in past they came to India for the sake of trade, and the Indian spice, Indian textile, muslin, these all things were exported from India to Arabian countries, and from Arabian countries it was exported to the European country. In this way, from the ancient time, trade was going there by land route, silk route, and things were transported from India to all part of the world. Here one thing is there, India was not new for the world, different type of invention, things, edible things, seeds, they all came from the other part of the country also by land route. Our neighboring countries are there which do trade with India. We are going to discuss about our neighboring countries. In West, Pakistan, Afghanistan is there, and in North it is Nepal, China, and in East Bangladesh, Myanmar. They are the countries which are joined with our border, and many other countries are there. Among them, the Maldives and Sri Lanka lies in the Indian Ocean. It provides very strategic importance to our country India. Our country is surrounded by water from three sides. The coastal line is very lengthy in Asian continent, which is, as I told you, 7,516.6. Very important place is there for India in the world, and it is connected with the countries of the world by sea route. That is why the Trans-Indian sea route is very, very important. It has very much importance. Now we are going to discuss about political India. In our country in present time, 28 states are there and 8 union territories are there. In the north it is Jammu and Kashmir. This area is surrounded by northern mountain, and then here Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam, these plain areas are there, and beneath that plain area Deccan Plateau area is there. Beneath the northern plain area, the part of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and in east Chhattisgarh, Odisha. In this way, 28 states are there in our country and 8 union territories are there, and a different type of physical is there, physiology is there. Mountains are there, plateaus are there, coastal plains are there, about which we will study in next chapter in detail.